Okay, children. Today I want to discuss about molecular phylogeny. Molecular phylogeny. Okay, children. What is a molecular phylogeny? Try to understand, children. So, children, yesterday, if ever you remember carefully, I was telling about evolution of ice I told, evolution of beans I told, evolution of cabbage I told, different varieties of cabbage. In this aspect only, if it is better to study molecular phylogeny. What is molecular phylogeny? Slowly I will say, children, if ever you remember, when I told about DNA copying, I told you about DNA copying. DNA copying results in anyone?
Variations.
Variations. DNA copying always results in variations. Okay, children. So, children, this variation keeps on accumulating. This variation keeps on accumulating, and new species will form. I told you, continuous variation keep on accumulating over generations together, and new species will form. I told you, children. Okay, so, children. So what I'm saying, the changes in the DNA, children, the changes in the DNA copying, because DNA copying is a chemical reaction. None of the chemical reactions you can't trust them. Okay, none of the chemical reactions are reliable. Whatever you want, that will not occur. Whatever you want, it will occur. Variations will occur. Accumulate and species will come. Okay, so children, so this keeps on accumulating generation to generation, generation to generation, generation to generation. If ever if it is possible that this DNA changes are occurring, no, children, DNA changes are occurring. If you reverse it, if you reverse it means if you go backward in studying, backward you have to study, children. Okay, if you the changes in DNA backward in time, if you can go back and find out what have changes occurred in the DNA slowly, then you can understand why this diversity has occurred, why so many changes. This is what exactly molecular phylogeny means. Molecular phylogeny, children, because of DNA copying variations occur, because of variation species occur. This is direct evolution. If you go reverse and if you see what are the changes occurring in DNA, what resulted in the changes, then that is called molecular phylogeny. This approach, children, is based on the idea that organisms which are more distantly related will accumulate greater variations. Which are more distantly related will accumulate greater variations. Means I will give an example, children. You will be hearing in your families, don't marry your like own cousins. They will say, no, children, in same families, you should not marry. It's not good. How much distantly you marry, that much good variations will come. Close people should never marry children. Why means brethren, our cousins are there. Some people will say, I will give, well, let's get them married. You should not children. Why means close related species. It's like a simple children. It's like a sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction will give rise to more distantly related. That will accumulate more number of characters, greater number of different such studies trace the. So this type of studies, children, trace the evolutionary relationship, and it has been highly gratifying to find that relationships among different organisms shown by molecular phylogeny, children. Okay. So what they are doing means this reverse studying when they are doing, children, when reverse studying they are doing, they are able to understand what really resulted, which gene has underwent change, and which gene change has occurred the greatest variation. Everything they are able to solve. Okay, DNA changes will occur, variations will occur, new species. How new species came means you have to study, you have to go reverse and you have to study what gene has changed. That reverse trending is called molecular phylogeny. Means the phylogeny you are studying at the molecular level. Evolution you are studying at molecular level. That is called molecular phylogeny, children. Okay.